Are you tired of losing your phone, maybe on a couch while watching the Super Bowl, or watching an NBA championship, or even while just watching a movie with friends or family?
What about when you leave the bar Elmer's and you've had too much to drink? And you leave, you don't have your cell phone, you left it on the bar on the counter.
Or maybe just getting out of a friend's car, you lose your phone, or maybe a bus or train, or even a taxi.
When you come out of the gym, what about when you get to your locker and your phone's not there? Now, with the new BlackBerry Track, it comes equipped with a tracking device located in the brains of the phone. In 2008, 2.6 million people reported their phones lost or stolen throughout the U.S. Do you want to be one of these people? If not, CellTrack is the way to go.
New with BlackBerry Track, you can easily locate your phone by pressing a simple button on this additional remote I have in my hand. This will allow you to track your phone with a beeping sound. If the phone is within 50 feet. If your phone is further, your remote will automatically pull up a GPS screen. That will allow you to locate your phone if it was stolen.
For just $350, with a $50 mail-in rebate and a 2-year contract, the BlackBerry Track comes with all the other BlackBerry features, plus the additional remote and the tracking device located in the brains. The Track is available in a variety of different colors: red, black, silver, pink, blue, green. BlackBerry Track can be purchased at any Verizon, AT&T, or Best Buy store. Or you can simply go online to www.verizon.com or www.att.com. If you're tired of losing or misplacing your phone, CellTrack is the way to go. CellTrack, run with it.